Alright, so these are my EL accommodations. The first one was a pre-teach vocabulary, to pre-teach the vocabulary. So in this lesson, we would go over the vocabulary, and maybe everyone has a worksheet, but the EL learner just does a dictionary. They have my personal dictionary, and they add in the words. So equator, hemisphere, latitude, longitude. Those were our vocab words. So then students are going to be getting this reading, and the EL learner gets to use their dictionary during the reading. The second strategy is just a shortened assignment. This one's pretty easy. Everyone has to do this entire worksheet except for the one student, and they only have to do the highlighted problems. The next strategy was using a variety of different outcomes. So like this, for the assignment, it's track a week of weather, including temperature, wind, and precipitation, and then graph your findings. For this one, there was I created a tic-tac-toe board. So this one is pick 3 days of the week, compare and contrast the weather, and you could give them sentence stems for that. This one was draw the weather on a poster. So for the week, they just have to draw if it was sunny or raining or whatever. This one, they just have to discuss with a partner and come up with a conclusion. So yeah, those are some different ways to be doing this assignment. And the fourth and final one was the key concepts one. So highlighting key concepts. You could do this for long readings or short readings. So for this one, it was talking about the president. Like the jobs of a president, and said the executive branch maintains relationships with other countries. The president can also forgive people for federal crimes. It's called a pardon. And so for the executive branch maintains relationships with other countries. Do not make fun of my drawing. It's horrible, but I did it on Canva. So this is supposed to be the United States. And then I drew arrows out showing that they are making relationships and maintaining those relationships. So yeah, those were just some examples of some different accommodations you can make for an EL learner.